down here on Siri Beach, so we are absolutely amazing. We've been up to today. It's not much on my end, and Tina holding the camera behind us there. She has been basically out sunning herself all day, and I've been indoors all day. I've been indoors basically all day long, and it's just like I've been catching up on some editing. But I promised Tina that I will definitely
spend time with me.
Yeah, I'll definitely spend time with you. I definitely will come. So the next few days now are going to be devoted to her.
Yippee!
It's Friday night and we are heading out. We are where? Shawang. Why do I keep forgetting that? Anyway? No idea. And we're heading up basically now to Biddy Stretch, kind of like way of
Showgirls.
Showgirls, all that kind of malarkey. We were up there just earlier on. We got something to eat. Huh? Oh yeah. Oh, we got a taxi. Yeah. Cross over here. Yeah. So we're just heading up now. Go for a night out. Get lit.
Today we need
because we haven't done that yet. I haven't really been in the mood for it, kind of like so. I think
Malibu.
Yeah, we just know I need to be shopped first to start off. That's what I need. This one can't have tequila because she can't have it, or she can't handle tequila. That was plainly obvious at the floating party, let me tell you. Because this Jack had to carry her home. Anywho. Hi guys, we've just arrived at the national park here in Koh Samui. But this park has lots of beautiful waterfalls. That's the name of the waterfall. Hello doggy. Hello. Okay, he's not asked with me anyway. We are here. Alright, so there's two waterfalls. So we're going to go see both of them. And you can go for a swim in them and everything. We can hear the waterfall, guys, we can see it. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Waterfalls here. This is number one waterfall. We're going to go for a swim now in a minute there, and after that waterfall, it looks so inviting, but it is so warm here today. It's been a little bit cloudy and overcast times, but that, guys, don't let that fool you here. It is so hot, like still well in the 30s. Fighting to create a song. I don't want to miss a beat. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. On and on, we'll go.
Oh my gosh, be careful. Yee! Oh.
Across it. Guys, I just tripped my foot on this and it went flying.
Oh my
How did it look, Tina?
Clumsy.
Was it?
Very.
Tina's new word for me is clumsy.
Falling over.
We can smell elephant shit. Aww. Guys, this is why you should never ride elephants or go to these places that let you ride them. Like, you should always go to an elephant sanctuary or something like that that isn't going to let you ride them, and they're in their natural habitats like that. But you can just see that this elephant is like in distress. This the toilet signs. Funny or what? They have restaurant, reception, waterfalls.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
It's fun being a kid. I feel like we're kids again, running around somewhere, hide and seek, playing.
Thailand 2018.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
When Tina won't get off her phone. Oh, look at this, guys. Mango sticky rice.
I'm so full.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. Wow. Thank you. Thank you.
Wow.
Wow, look at that. Now that is mango. This is banana fritters with honey. Wow. So this is basically, it's the dessert that's out here. It's called mango sticky rice. You can get it everywhere in Thailand, and this is the first time we're going to try it. Looking forward to this. Go on, you be first.
Okay.
Tell us what you think. Oh, you have to put,
I have a
you
bit
have to
of
put, you put that over it, I think.
Can I have this with it? A little drizzle. Hope you like it. Oh man. That's how
Get some of the rice.
I'm messing this up a bit.
Unusual. Nice. Cool.
Warm, sticky, refreshing, with drizzle. Thumbs up.
Hello, doggies. Hello.
You suck!
Hey, baby.
Jackass!
Hi, guys. Basically, I want to tell you about one of these chicken burgers. See these street vendors here? The chicken burgers here are just amazing. They are famous on this island, alright? If you come to Koh Samui, make sure you check these places out, alright? They're all usually made at these vendors here, and they are chicken burgers are just amazing. So I'm going to get one now, and Tina and myself are going to try it out. Skill. probably going to pull out a fucking rabbit. Nicely. That is nice. Fresh tomato and onion. Well, that looks like a good burger. Huh?
Just with chicken.
With non-chicken.
Yeah.
Nice. Wow, now that is a chicken burger. Bloody hell. This is a big shopping centre. What's it called? Central Festival. So it is. It's right here in this heart of Koh Samui, Chawang. It's huge, massive. It even has a huge cineplex in it. Hi guys, we're here at the food market, night food market in Koh Tao. So last night here, so we said I had a motorbike, so I said I would go around and take a look around. So let's go explore.
Oh my God, who the hell cares?
Hi, how are you? What's these? Can I try this? How much is it? How much is it for that? What's the average price? How much?
200 baht one box.
Like that's 200 baht?
Yeah.
Wow.